Clay City Elementary School is the latest project to kick off for our Lexington, Kentucky branch. This is a 50,500 square foot project that we're removing the old shingles and installing metal roofing. We really wanted to get this project moving quickly, so we have two crews working on this roof, one to tear off the old roof and one to install the new roofing system. There is a lot of detail work when installing metal, so we wanted our metal guys to be able to focus on a great install. All of our guys have had specialized training to make sure metal installs are 100% in line with the architectural and manufacturer's spec. Eskola always has the goal of giving our client the best projects possible, served up with great customer service and a roof that will last. We hope to have this project finished up right as school is coming back in session, and can't wait to show everyone the final product.